Remove the parts from the box and verify they are all there. Attach the side panels into the slot channel so the back metal flap is just above the panel. Attach the back panel with the hooks facing down into the square holes on the metal flap of the side panels. Using the 4 screws provided, secure the sides to the back panel. Place the bottom panel onto the nuts already on the side panels. Loosen the nuts if the panel does not go in easily. Hand tighten the nuts. Attach the shelf divider using the tabs on the bottom in the provided grooves. Place the top panel onto the nuts already on the side panels and loosen the nuts if the panel does not go on easily. Hand tighten the nuts on top. Using your 9mm wrench, completely tighten the top and bottom nuts. Assemble the door using the plastic clips. The 2 hook clips clip into the bottom and the 2 straight clips go into the top. Push the door into the grooves on the top and bottom panels until you hear them click. You are now ready to start using your product.